Hello everyone, this is Meghna. This video is very useful for someone who wants to do yoga but don't have time to go to the class, but in your own free time you want to do all the stretching and joint exercise and easy to do yoga asana and relaxation. Just do it with me in this video. Let's get started. So roll your yoga mat and get ready. First we start with Om chanting. So sit cross leg. Okay. Relax your body. Hands on your knee like this. In Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Hands at the heart center. Rub the palms. Place it on eyes, face, open palms, look at into your palms. Namaste. Let's start with Malasana squat. If you have a knee problem, you will start with half Malasana, which I'll show next. So for Malasana, feet are apart, stand like this, straight spine, hands at the heart center. If your heels are not touching and you are sitting like this, is also fine. Okay? Stay here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you have a knee problem, you can start from here, half squat. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fully come up, palms jointed and just raise it up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and release. Very good. Okay, now legs together, interlock your hands, turn it around, raise it up, try to stand on your toes, look down at any one point to balance, Tadasana. Okay, if you will, it's difficult, you can put it down and come up again. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Awesome. And down. And release. Some lateral stretch. Right hand on the waist. Raise your left hand up. Lengthen as much as you can. And then go down to the right side. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And up and down. Raise your right hand up. Lengthen. And do it other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come up and release. Feet mat distance apart. Hands on your waist. We'll do twist. So hands like this at the shoulder level. Inhale here. Exhale, right hand on the left ankle and left hand up. Inhale, come up. Exhale, other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stay there for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Come up. And other side. 1, 2 and 3. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Release. Awesome. Now do some shoulder exercise. Hands on your shoulder. Close. Open. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release. Hands straight. Press the finger back. 1, 2, 3 and down. 1, 2 and 3. Other hand. 1, 2, 3 and down. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Close, open. Close, open. You can keep your hands straight and do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And release. Rotate. Cross your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For your elbow. 1, other hand on your waist. 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now hands at your waist and raise your knee up. 1. Hands will stay there. Knee will come up like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, yes, 3, 4. Leg will go. Hand will not go. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now back side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. Now focusing on our hip. Feet apart, hands on your waist, hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very good. Hands on your knees, then knee pumping, front and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rotation. This is good for knee joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very good. Now what we will do, for some calf stretching, stand on your heels and take your feet towards you. You can feel at the calf muscle. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Awesome. Let's do positive affirmation. Repeat after me by hugging yourself. I am happy. I am happy. I am healthy. I am healthy. My immunity is good. My immunity is good. We are safe. We are safe. I love myself. I love myself. I accept myself. I accept myself. I accept others and situation. I accept others and situation. My life is balanced. My hormones are balanced. My life is balanced. My hormones are balanced. I have beautiful relations. I have beautiful relations. I have good support system. I have good support system. I am successful. I am successful. I am blessed. I am blessed. I take care of myself. I take care of myself. I eat well. I eat well. I rest well. I rest well. I exercise well. I exercise well. I smile often. I smile often. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for this beautiful day and beautiful life. For this beautiful day and beautiful life. And then, hooray. Raise up. Hooray. One more time. Hooray. Very good. Now let's move to the Surya Namaskar. The detail of Surya Namaskar is there in Surya Namaskar video. I will show it once. I will show one round. You can do 2 to 3 rounds, depends on the time, or only one round. Okay, so for that, Shivanand Surya Namaskar, legs together, palms closer. Inhale up and down. You can bend your knee, right leg back, Dandasan, Ashtanga Namaskar, Bhujangasan, Parvatasan, right foot forward, Padhasta, Uttanahasta, Namaskarasana. Inhale, Uttanahasta, Padhasta, left leg back, Dandasan, Ashtanga Namaskar, Bhujangasan, Parvatasan, left foot forward, Padhasta, Uttanahasta, Namaskarasana, Samastiti. Observe yourself, feet apart, palms front. Feel the effect of Surya Namaskar on yourself. Okay, now let's move to the next session. If you had time, we can continue with this. Lie down after Surya Namaskar in Makarasana. One hand over other, heels apart, toes together, and just relax for 3 counts. 1, 2, and 3. Now we'll move to the lower plank pose. Okay, for arm and core strengthening, what you have to do, feet hip distance apart, tuck your toes, hands front, you can interlock your hands, knees down first, and then try to lift your body up in one line, look front, keep breathing. Okay, we'll hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knees down and release. Rest in Makarasana, other side. 3 counts. 1, 2, and 3. Good. Now come on all 4, cat and cow. So for that, knee and hip in one line, wrist and shoulder in one line. Tug your toes, knee hip distance apart. Okay. Now we will do head movement with spine movement. So inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, chin to the chest, curve. Very good to strengthen the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now stretch your right hand, and if you can balance, left leg. Hold it for 3 breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Down and curve. Now again look up, change the hand and leg. 1, 2, and 3. And down, curve. Now again look up, raise your leg up, feet towards back of the head, and then knee to the forehead. 3 times Vyagrasana, tiger pose. 1, 2, 3. Place the right knee down, repeat with other. 1, 2, and 3. And down. Okay, release. You can sit in Vajrasana. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Okay. Now from here you can go to the child's pose. You can take your knee apart and fold forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very nice. Come up, stretch your legs. Okay. Now hands back, some toes exercise, only toes. Down, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold feet pointed front, hold it 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Hands on your knees. Okay, now tighten the kneecap, knees going down, and release. And tighten and release. And tighten, hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And release. Now let's move to the butterfly. Feet touching each other. First, hands on your knees. Slowly take it up and down as much as possible. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Now interlock around the feet and flap up and down as much as you can. Fast. 1, 2, 3. Very, very good asana to do for all age, woman, man, for healthy reproductive system. Okay, continue. Very good. Okay, after this, just lie down in Shavasana. We'll do tensing and relaxing of different body parts and then just finished. But before that, yeah, we'll do one simple breathing, deep breathing. Place one hand on the chest, one hand on the stomach. Okay, just observe your normal breath. Now make it longer. When you inhale, try to expand your stomach and chest, and as you exhale, squeeze. Continue deep breathing by movement of the stomach. Okay, you can close your eyes. Focus on your breath. And normal breathing. Okay, now lie down in Shavasana and relax. Feet apart, hands away from the body. Give some breathing space to the armpit, palm facing front, fingers naturally curled. Relax your head and shoulder. Okay. Take a deep breath in and out. We'll do tensing and relaxing. So tighten your feet, tighten, and release. Tighten your calf muscles and release. Tighten your thighs and release. Tighten the stomach and chest and release. Make a fist. Tighten the arms and release. Forcefully close your eyes and tighten your face and release. Now tighten the whole body. Hold as much as you can. When you can't hold, just release and relax. Relax for 1 or 2 minutes. Observe yourself. How are you feeling? How the body is feeling? How the mind is feeling? And just relax. Now slowly move the toes and fingers, legs together. Raise your hands above, give good stretch, and then bend your leg, turn to any one side, compact yourself, and with the help of the other hand, sit upright, and turn your knees. We'll finish with one round of Om chanting. So inhale together. Om. To the heart center, rub the palms, place it on your eyes, face, open palms, open your eyes and look it into the palms. Namaste. Thank you for the practice. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the practice and it is easy to do. Do it whenever you have a time and share with your dear and near ones if they like this kind of practice. Thank you so much. Namaste.